What is up, you guys? Today we are building a dump tube for the wastegate. Now, I really was contemplating running it out of the hood, but I think we're just gonna do it anyway. I did want to run it down, but I mean, this hood's already ruined. Might as well have flames shooting out the hood, right? Okay, so that thing and this pipe. So, since this is a budget video challenge, I had bought a car jack from Harbor Freight. I've actually bought quite a few, and I seem to get a new one every year because they break. Not the jack's fault, it's my fault for leaving them outside. Now I don't do that anymore. So this is the pipe for the handle. And we are going to be using that because it is the perfect diameter. So now we just need to cut some angles and hope we can do this right. Okay, I've got a few little pies cut. Cut these with my Sawzall and a little vise to hold onto the pipe. I don't have a bandsaw or nothing. I sure wish I did. It would have been a hell of a lot easier. But that's what I've got so far. I've got one in there and marked up. And then we can go ahead and try and puzzle a little pie cut trio together. And then, yeah, just gotta keep on keeping on. This is what I've tacked up so far. Got one more piece or one more pie cut to do, and then I can do just a straight pipe from here on out. But I'm gonna set you guys up and I'm going to finish welding this thing. We aren't doing anything special. I have it set up for regular MIG welding, but I'm just gonna use flux, just keeping it cheap, and this material seems to like the flux anyway. I'm not having too much issues, so I'm gonna set you up on a tripod right now. We're gonna bang this out real quick and see if it fits. Okay, I put in a little bit of extra work on the grinder just to make it look more presentable for you guys, and also to show you that there are no leaks, there are no gaps. The flux did really good. Obviously this isn't going to last forever because this is going to rust, but yeah, I don't know what you guys think about that. Let's figure out the rest of this and install it on the car. Put the rest of the pipe in there. Made sure everything cleared. Now we just have to drill a hole in the hood. This is the worst part. I hate doing this. I was trying to stick my hand under the hood and use a marker, but it wasn't transferring to the hood, so I'm gonna take some silicone, some gasket maker. I'm gonna run it around the whole edge there, and then I'm gonna shut the hood and it should leave a print. Okay, let's hope for the best. enough, I guess. Try that again. Put some masking tape there for some reason. Yeah. Started out with a little drill bit. Started a hole. Here we go. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, here it is. Don't ask me how that happened. Guess the tool slipped, but it's a freaking perfect fit. Now, this kind of looks cool and all, but should I cut it flush? Or should I leave it the way it is so I can at least put a cap on it or something? I don't know. Let me know. Even if we cut it flush, I'll still figure out a way to cap it. But yeah, hardly noticeable, but there. Heck yeah. This is what it looks like with the intercooler piping on. Pretty damn good. I am going to heat wrap the screen pipe, but yeah, you look at it and you're like, huh, look at this. And you're like, what the fuck is this freaking jack handle doing right here? It's a car jack handle. What the it's a screamer pipe. What the fuck? Okay, hope you guys liked the video. I'll catch you in the next one. Subscribe. Don't forget that part.
Nice.